Hi, Rosie Mound School family and friends joining us today. Today is another Mindful Monday. And if you remember, on Mondays, we think about ways that we can pause and bring ourselves to calm when we need to have a reset. And I don't know about you, but I've needed lots of those moments over the past few weeks. And so today I want to share with you another tool and another way that we can be mindful and help ourselves as we move through these days together. And so what I want to show you today is this picture. And what this is a labyrinth. And what a labyrinth is a maze that people have used for thousands of years to help them when they want to think about something, if they want to bring themselves to calm, if they want to focus on something in particular. And what you do is you can trace your finger throughout the maze, and you can use a pencil or a crayon or a marker if that's helpful. And as you do that, you focus on calming your breath, breathing in and breathing out as you make your way through the maze. So today I want to invite you to make your own labyrinth, and what I'm going to be doing is providing a link to a page that gives you instructions on how to make your own labyrinth. And my kids and I are going to make one today and then snap a picture and put it up on Facebook. So I invite you to take a crack at making your own labyrinth and see how it goes, and we can share with each other and begin this week being mindful of bringing ourselves to calm when we need it, taking those breaks when we need it. So thanks for joining me this morning, and remember everyone to stay rosy.